It's important to support your local fishermen. This is a community here, and they rely on their fishing to make a living and raise their families.
That's pretty important to have guys like him. Without him, well, my options for selling are way less and the price is with it. Guys like us, all these fishermen here get to take stuff basically straight to the consumer. It's unbeatable.
Well, it's real simple. I come and buy fish from fishermen here at Newport and Charleston and also up in Garibaldi. I meet them at the docks when they come in, and I unload their boats, pack them in ice, and bring them to the market of choice, direct from the docks. So that's it. No super science here, just a lot of work. There's no warehouse in our operation. When we unload fish, we have to get them to the market right now. The closer you can get your fresh fish to where you are, the better you're off. So when it comes to fresh fish, that is important.
The size of his operation really helps the quality. I mean, I don't know how you could get it any fresher, unless you had a helicopter or something.
You know, as far as I go, you know, the market of choice was really the first major operation to give me a chance to do this when I explained what I wanted to do. They got on board and have been with me ever since, and really appreciate that and work hard to keep their business.